So guys, for the first method, you can run the application as an admin. So right click on it, and then click on run as admin, and then click on yes. See if that works. For the second method, you want to reinstall or repair your application. So go to search and type in add or remove programs, click on it. Once you're on this, find your program, click on the three dots. It might let you modify it, so click on modify and then click on repair. If that's not working, then just uninstall it and then reinstall it again. For the next method, go to search and type in check for updates, click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then hopefully this will work for you.